Hi, I'm Shane from Uptick Sports, and if you're watching this, it means you're probably asking yourself something that I get asked all the time by people who find out about our fantasy football stock market, and that is, how do I play this game? Fortunately, it's pretty easy. If you're even remotely familiar with the concept of the stock market, where you might buy stock in a company whose products you really like or who you think will do well in the future, then you can play this game. What we've done at Uptick Sports is taken the stock market concept and extended it to fantasy sports. For example, let's say your favorite quarterback has what appears to be a really easy matchup this coming weekend. All you do is log into Uptick Sports using your free account and buy a stock. And just like that, you're a shareholder. So what happens next? Well, in a nutshell, if that favorite quarterback of yours performs well, then you profit. If he doesn't, then you lose. Let's play with that last example a little bit. Let's say you bought shares in that quarterback at $200 a share, which equates to 200 yards passing as a performance projection. Now, if that quarterback throws for 300 yards passing, you'd make a profit of $100 a share. However, if he throws for only 100 yards passing, then you'd lose $100 a share. Conversely, if you'd bet against his stock at $200 a share, which we allow you to do, then you'd have made a profit if he performed worse than 200 yards passing, and you'd actually have lost money since you bet against him if he threw for 300 yards, as we had described before. Now let me cover a few basic rules. Number one, you have to have an account to trade shares. But don't worry, accounts are free and we don't share your personal information with anyone. So why not go to upticksports.com now and create one for free? Number two, you can only trade stock in a player once each day. We do this simply to prevent day trading or quickly flipping stock that you own in a player for a profit. Number three, based on how long you hold a player's stock whom you've bought, certain transaction fees may apply when you sell the stock. But don't worry, these fees won't cost you real money, just money in the fictional Uptick Sports currency that we have within the website. If you want to learn more, just visit the How to Play link on our homepage. Well, that's most of what you need to know. In reality, it's really pretty simple. But don't take my word for it. Go create an account now and trade some shares and see for yourself. And lastly, if you ever have any questions, feel free to contact me, Shane, at upticksports@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks.